it, coming from the background of being in the field, and what happens with this situation is your knowledge gets in the way of what you're learning. I just Google search plant conservation, and yours came up first. Content was fabulous because it set the tone for what new learners need to know, and people like me who've been in the field need to get up to speed with. And we know a lot about the overall requirements of, you know, the Convention for Biological Diversity, or the global arrangements and how they fit in. That's very useful because often you lose track of what you're working towards because you're stuck in trying to save the plants and keep the livestock out and put the fences up. And then so that content related to all of that. I love the First Nations. We call them local communities. That's very powerful. And you rub up against that a lot, especially if these people are going to go out and be practitioners, or alternatively, if they're going to be setting up protected areas, which will facilitate plant conservation. So hits the spot between like uh, baseline knowledge increase, so the value and the context, examples, and then how to what your role in all of this will be, like taking all this knowledge and seeing how I can use it, like a practitioner or a general ecologist. So I think, and the options that I had coming out of school and going into varsity were like so few, and now you can do anything, and also to AI proof their career, whatever. But there's no replacing a field biologist who's going to go out there and ground truth for you. You can have AI and
Absolutely.
drones and whatever you need, but you need the person that's going to do and the assignments were great, and the people who marked my assignments were fantastic, and they gave me such good advice. And also there's so much content. That
Hmm.
course is a lot of content, and it's fabulous and it's empowering.